is called the 360 bowling. Dang it. So how to hold this thing. Hello guys, it's me, Caiden, and it's Mom right here. So guys, I'm gonna play a little game. When you spin that thing up there, and then when it stops, you're dead. But I have to get past it, and my mom right here is base. She's base. Okay guys, are you ready? Come on. Let's go. Say hi, Mama. So she's base right there. Going through the tunnel. Here's a spinning thing. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! You hit it? You go. Psh, psh. There we go. So that's how you want to play the game if you want to do that. Now I'm going to do that again. Okay. It's going to be so fun. Okay, again. Here we go. Shoot back right there. Go through the tunnel. Go through the tunnel. So good. Okay. Here we go. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go on that slide right there on the left. Okay, ready, set, go. Woo! See? I'm on base. So if you want to play that game, you can do that if you want to. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye. Peace out.